Welcome. My name is Ruth Koppenberger, and I am the owner and managing director of Columbus. Since 1976, our company has stood for application reliability in vacuum technology. In 2026, we celebrate 50 years of Columbus, which means 50 years of experience, responsibility, and continuous development for woodworking businesses with the highest quality standards. I grew up in a carpentry workshop. My father, a third-generation master carpenter, developed the vacuum bag in the 1970s and laid the foundation for the technology we use today. What I have learned over all these years is simple. True professionals do not invest in machines. They invest in reliable results. This is exactly how Columbus 360 was created. Columbus 360 is the world's first complete solution that combines a vacuum press, practical expertise, and artificial intelligence in one system. My goal was to provide businesses with application reliability from day one, without trial and error. At the core is our vacuum press, manufactured with Austrian ISO certified engineering quality, robust, durable, and low maintenance, with a lifetime warranty. For me, this is a true promise of quality. It is complemented by the Master Manual, containing 50 years of practical experience, clearly structured and immediately applicable, and by the Master GPT, your digital assistant for operation, material selection, and process optimization. In real time, multilingual, and available whenever you need it. Columbus 360 means not experimenting, but producing with predictability. Not reacting, but making confident decisions. If you also value investment security, application expertise, and long-term partnership, I would be delighted to hear from you. Yours, Ruth Koppenberger.